Hey, remember Lady Gaga's now infamous meat dress she wore to the MTV VMAs, or that egg creation at the Grammys, or her bad romance outfits and hairdos in her iconic music video? Well, there was a stylist behind all of that craziness, and he just quit. Hey guys, I'm Kristina Behr with Buzz60. Designer Nicola Formichetti told Women's Wear Daily that despite working with Gaga for the past 5 years, he's throwing in his sewing kit. The reason? He says, quote, "She changes 12 times a day. It's insane." Can't say we really blame him. Though Formichetti says, no worries, he and Lady Gaga will still be BFFs while he works on other projects. Meanwhile, Lady Gaga seems to be ditching her clothes altogether for the promotion of art pop, appearing mostly in her birthday suit in promos and magazines. And then there's this video of Gaga participating fully nude in something called the Abramovic method. Imagine being her neighbor. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.